Ryan. Ryan. Ow, I should have listened to Ryan and tied it the ancient Japanese way. Ah, hello, Chris. Ryan senpai! No, that is all wrong. Let me teach you how to tie it.
The Japanese way.
Oh, okay, so first what you want to do is triple knot the base tie, okay? Yeah, get it. Okay, beautiful job. Now that you done that, what you want to do is that you want to tug races through the crosses, okay? Oh, okay, very excellent job you done there. Now that we done that, okay, you don't want to forward pull it through, you still want to have the loops right there, and then what you want to do, okay, step number 3, is to feed it through each side loop, okay, same side, same end, go to same loop. Okay, just like that. Okay, then we pull it tight, okie dokie, and it makes such a beautiful little design there. Then we feed, step number 4, we feed races to the top in order to make a new loop, okay, a new loop. Okay, but like that, don't forward tighten, we still want the loops in there. And then we're going to feed, step 5, cross feed races through the opposite side of the loop. Okay? Ah, wonderful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now step number 6, we're gonna once again triple loop, but do not forward tighten the thing, okay? Because that steps into step 7, where we feed both races through the middle loop and tighten. Okay? Oh, wonderful job. You make me so proud. Okay, now we're gonna take the race ends and we're going to feed it through the other race loop like this. Oh, okay, now we're gonna go to step number 9 where we're going to feed the races through the first crosses, okay? Make sure to feed it through the same side cross when you do this, okay? Then we pour up, okay? It gives you sort of like a flower rug or something. Oh, okay, this next one, step 10, pure for organizational purposes. Feed race ends through the bottom of race. Okay, now make sure to pronounce those loops. Okay, now step 11, spin spiral with the races. Oh yeah, nice and spirally. Now we're going to finish this off with step number 12. We're going to feed the races through the bottom race, okay? Oh my god, look at that. Enjoy being chilling, motherfucker, because that is the best ice cold looking shoe tie I ever done seen. Oh, now look at that. Sleek, beautiful, ancient Japanese design used in shoe races all over Japan back in the olden days. Oh, perfect for any event or to surprise your friends with how amazing your shoes can look. Wow. Best part, never have to tie your shoe race again with amazing Japanese technique, hold forever. Wow, amazing.
Now you know how to tie your shoes. The Japanese way. Bust my gun. Make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to recommend to any friends who need to know how to tie their shoes the Japanese way. And comment below what kind of content you want to see, or if you would like to see more like this.
Yeah, Trevor, it doesn't work when you look at the camera and smile like that. 3, 2, 1, go.
Can't take clock.
Owie! Oh, Ryan! Ryan, why? My shoe's untied and I fell.